Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the President of India? Who is the Chief Minister of your state? Who is the collector of this area? Who is the MLA of this area? Who is the SP of this area? Who is the eldest person in your family? Who is the youngest person in your family? Who is the most intelligent person in your family? Who is the most handsome person in your family? Who is the most responsible person in your family? Who is the best person in your colony? Who is the most quarrelsome person in your colony? Who is the richest person in your colony? Who is the poorest person in your colony? Who is the principal of your school? Who is the ward member of your colony? Who is the chairman of your city? Who is your fast friend? Who is your classmate? Thank you.